Hey students, again welcome back to my channel City. Hope you all are fine. So in this video I'm going to share one new cue card. That means the last week in the real exam the students got one new cue card and we are here to share the sample answer for that. So the cue card is describe something you do which is environmentally friendly. So you need to include what you do, when you do it, do you find it easy or difficult, and explain why you think that this activity is important. So you need to talk about an activity which you do that is environmental friendly to save the earth. So here I prepared one model answer, so you can just go through that. If you want, you can just take the screenshot also if you want to study means. Okay, so try to prepare with this card to you. So the model answer, I believe the effect of global warming that are reported worldwide is more than just a media hype. That means it's not prepared by the media, misleading or exaggerated publicity by the media. So it is high time that people turned their attention to eco-friendly activities. Though I am not a keen environmentalist, I am particular about contributing whatever I can so as to protect the ecosystem. So that's just an introduction. Okay, then you need to include all the sub questions too. The activity that I engage in is making and distributing paper bags. I find time for it mainly on weekends and holidays. In fact, I am an active member of a local club that functions in my hometown. As part of the club activity on the Environment Day, a one day workshop was organized to teach the club members to make paper bags. So, such a program was organized as a ban came on the production and distribution of plastic carry bags by the Kerala government, or you can mention it as Indian government, as a part of protecting the environment. The task of making paper bags can be made easy with the help of appropriate machines. The club purchased a few such machines so that whenever the club members are free, they can go there and make some paper bags. Moreover, we distribute it at the local shops at a nominal charge. Nominal means small charge. Due to the activity, the use of plastic carry bags has tremendously declined in my area. That means the usage got reduced. Furthermore, the people have become conscious of the ill effects of using plastic, its burning and disposal issues. I make it a point to teach this skill to anyone who approaches me seeking help in the same, absolutely free of charge. I feel contented, that means satisfied, that I am doing what I can so as to protect the environment from imminent, that means about to happen, or impending, about to happen destruction, imminent destruction. So that's all about this cue card sample. I hope you understood how to prepare this card. So the last week some of the students got this card, that's why I just prepared the model answer for this. So try to go through this too. Okay, you can prepare with your own samples and practice it. So thank you so much for watching. If you want any particular model answer for any cue card means, you can comment that below. I will prepare with that. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and practice well for your speaking date. Thank you.